It is time to make some purple crab cakes. And I will tell you right now that these are the messiest things you can make. Nice chunk of it. Make a little ball out of it. Cover. And then push the plate down on it. You want to go for about a ½ inch thick. You could feel, and you want them even. Just keep rotating them, make sure they're both even. Take off plate. Peel. You're going to reuse that. Now you want your circle. I'm using a tall Corel bowl. Remove the excess. And then pull the bowl off. And then just shape the edges. Oh yeah, if you have nails, you better do it like this. I don't have nails, so I could use my fingertips. It's much easier. And there you go. Perfect crab cake. Hey, that's not the crab cake I grew up eating. That's why you're on my channel. I'm always doing stuff that no one else has ever done. Now what you want to do is just stack them, center them on the plate. And then you're going to drop these in the freezer on the plate, let them freeze. And then it's time for delicious purple goodness. All right, we'll do a quick pause for the cause. I have no idea how many we're going to make. These are purple crab cakes, and they are the messiest things I have ever made in my life. Look at this, it's like glue. These are gluten-free, but forget about it. They are glue. Hardest thing I've had to make. This one's a little fatter. We pressed it down. You gotta fix the edges. And this is the first time. I was Googling this to find out, am I the first sick person to make this? And yes, I am. Some of my followers call me the crazy chef. There you go. These are probably going to be the most delicious things ever eaten on the planet. I'm going to have aliens lined up for days. This is why they want me to do a food truck in New York. I'm like, oh, then I'm going to be a slave. Oh well. I guess Google's not paying me yet, so we're not going to park a food truck in front of Google in New York City yet. But here's one of the things you'll probably see. All right, wait for it.